So we're going to solve some histograms as simply as we can. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the frequency density. So we're going to denote that FD, standing for frequency density, is the frequency that we can see here in the table divided by the range. So don't be tempted to plot the frequency straight away. We need the frequency density. So our range for this example is always between, it's the distance of this. So this, for example, is 5. Here it's 5. Here it's 10. And then the last one is 20. So maybe we can put an extra column on our graph. We can calculate it for each. So our frequency density is frequency over range, as we have in the top. So 15 over 5 equals 3 for the first one. 25 over 5 equals 5 for the second. 36 over 10 for the third. And then 24 over 20 for the last. That's 20. That's 1.2, right? Hopefully. It is indeed. So now we want to plot this on our graph below. So we want to, in general, plot things as big as possible on graphs, so it's easier for the examiners to mark. So we're going to count 10, roughly. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to say this is frequency density. Okay, so now, to plot the first one, our frequency density is 3. Sorry about that again. And our range is 60 to 65. So at 65, we want to go all the way up to 3. So we're going to go all the way up. And I drew it too far over, obviously. So yeah, so 3 is our first one. And I can't draw a straight line either. Nice. And now, to 70 now, we want to draw 5 up. So we're going to go all the way from 5, all the way down, and all the way up, and all the way up. So for our next one, we're going to go to 80. So we're always, by the way, we're always looking at the right side when we're drawing up to our density. So now we're going to 3.6 from 80. So that's about 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's kind of like a bar chart from here. And then we're looking at 100 now, and our frequency density is 1.2, so that's way down here. Nice, so we can fill that in a little bit. So, B asks to work out the estimate for the number of cars with a speed more than 85 miles an hour. So, more than 85 miles an hour is here on the graph. So, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Whoa, my hand slipped. So, it's this part of the graph. So, we want to find out the area, basically, because if we reverse this graph, we find the frequency again. So, for this, so we want to find the area of our red rectangle here. So this rectangle has a height of 1.2 and a base of 15, because 100 minus 85 is 15. So we do 1.2 times 15 equals 18. So we can say that there are 18 cars more than 85 kph. And that's it.